They're all tied up. Pwedeng manalo kahit sino sa round na ito. Wait for my signal.
And it was the last race, the last leg of the race. So we had to win this. Whoever won this round won the reward, which was very important, shelter.
Ang kukunin ninyo, intestines o bituka. Survivors ready?
Ready!
Go!
We won by a split second. Because not only did my eyes burn, but it dripped, the curry dripped down my body and it went into my crotch. And guys, men will understand, you know, how sensitive that area is, and it burned really bad, like great balls of fire.
Swerte namin kasi kami nanalo, kasi siguro kami yung pinakamagandang tirahan niya. Parang gano'n. Saya! Nakita mo yung bigas, makita mo lang yung bigas, kahit bigas ka nga, ang saya-saya. Kasi feeling ko first time namin makakain ng bigas nung araw na yun.
Parang I think it's also bonding. It helped us bond a little bit because you're so close to someone you don't know so well. Tapos mabaho kami, so so yeah.
Tiebreaker, di ba? Nauna sa akin si Moy. Ako yung nasa dulo. I actually felt bad. Sinabi ko sa kanya, guys, I'm sorry. Ganyan. Tama, mabilis talaga si Moy eh.
Yung last round, sayang dahil kami na talaga yung mananalo na dapat eh. Pagkuha ko ng intestines, paglapit ko na kay Solen, nandito na yung mahaba, nadulas.
Tagal na natin gustong mabawasan ang bilang ng mga nagugutom. Ngayong